so then what can we do if we cannot see the CSS dashboard? Well, this is the trick that I'm going to teach you today. So we're going to log out of our account. What you need to do now is you need to create a new merchant center. And for this, you have to log in with a new and different email address. So by creating a new merchant center account, by default, you're going to have Google Shopping as your CSS again. And what you need to do now is to claim your website, as it says here. Verify and claim your website in business information. So once you have claimed your website, this new merchant center account is going to be linked with your shop. After that, we can do the switch that we want to do and select your favorite CSS to represent you in services across Google. So now we are on a merchant center that has Google Shopping as their CSS partner. And now we come to the toolbox, you're going to find the affiliates and CSS option that we could not see before. Now that we click here, you're going to see my face again. And you're going to see the composition shopping services, performance, in clicks, and you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you find this CSS. The comparison shopping services listed below have submitted products from your website to Google. Multiple CSS can place shopping ads on your behalf in the European Economic Area and Switzerland at the same time. Disable a CSS if you don't want that CSS to show ads for products on your website on Google General Search Results pages in the European Economic Area and Switzerland. CSS will receive a notification when you disable it. If you disable Google Shopping, products uploaded via this Merchant Center account won't be shown in countries of the European Economic Area and Switzerland. You can also use this dashboard to choose one CSS through which to participate in services across Google in Europe to place unpaid listings. So this was what we were looking for. So now you only have to come here, choose your favorite CSS, Shopperize, and click on the three dots, and you just tell him that you want to make this the CSS for services across Google in Europe. And you just select it, it's loading, and it's done. So as it says there, you don't want to disable no one here, just leave them as that, both enable and select your favorite CSS for services across Google. So now you're done. Going back to your original merchant center where you are with Shopperize or your CSS selected, finding your services across Google, you should find now that all your products that used to be disapproved under the concept of CSS not selected for this destination are not there anymore. So this should be all green. So if you still have issues with rejected and disapproved products in your merchant center after this, and you would like to have some help to optimize your feed and ensure better visibility when services across Google is available, don't hesitate to contact us. As for other questions and the process explained here in this video, drop us a line to our CSS support team. You can write us to css@shopperize.com. And if you are new to Shopperize and you would like to know how a partnership with Shopperize can help you achieve your marketing and business results, you can write me at constanza.carvacho@shopperize.com. We are happy to assist you in anything you need. By mentioning this video, you will receive a 70% discount in your first year with us and 1 free month to try our self-service. I hope this video has been of help. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!